guys, welcome to my channel. We're having a nice calm chill night and I'm thinking of adding more highlights and to my hair, and for some reason I really want to bleach like these two side pieces so when they grow out, like I can have two blondes. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you what I got. These are the two things that I got. So I got the Manic Panic Flash Lightning 30 Volume Developer Kit. I did use this on my pink hair back in the fall. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll link it below. And then I grabbed this too. I don't know why. I never used this specific L'Oreal lightener before, but I just got it, okay? I had a cool idea for today. I'll show it to you after my intro, but if you want to see me play around with this drugstore crap, I'm sorry, that was rude, these drugstore products today, then this is your video. Okay guys, this is the official before shot.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running.
And so I had the idea to take a wig cap and cut some holes in it and pull the hair through to make kind of like one of those caps to do highlights with that by yourself. I could use tinfoil, but I don't know, for some reason I just want to try it this way today. Alright guys, so I know this looks kind of sloppy, but I took my wig cap, I cut 12 holes in it, pulled the hair through, and it looks wacky. And then I want to do these two side strands down here as well. I'm gonna do, I don't know if I want to do the Fereria or the Manic Panic. I'm gonna do the Fereria.
Yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again.
Why is it so big?
Yeah, state your name. Big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass. Slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in.
So I just realized that a lot of this is gonna go to waste. I forgot to like split the product up and save some for later. Yeah. Oh well.
If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, most Cialis flawless. Broken wrists as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10.
Okay guys, whew, that didn't take long at all. I'm hoping that the cap protects the hair that's underneath it, but I guess we'll wait and see. Hey Nancy Pelosi. So I plan to leave it on. I just left the bathroom. Plan to leave it on for probably about 20 minutes or so. In the meantime, I'm gonna watch a very old Bad Girls Club reunion. Check it out, guys. I'm going to rinse. I look crazy.
10, yeah.
here we are. Okay, so pretty much I like these very front strands a lot. The only thing I don't like about this experience is how roots are kind of uneven and messed up. Like some spots are dark, some are light. And I come to the conclusion that the wig cap as the highlighting cap wasn't really the best idea. Like the holes, even if you cut a small hole in the wig cap, they stretch really easily, and then they could get like really big and other parts of the hair would get touched that you didn't intend to get bleached, if that makes sense. But I do like all the different colors in my hair. I think the little sideburn pieces came out pretty good. Like they're not even that yellow. They're kind of, I don't know. I think the Fereria purple conditioner helps a lot in this case. I did saturate my head in it, at least the front of my head, where I mostly bleach. And I do feel like this is part of the reason it's not more yellowish and stuff. In a couple weeks, I'll probably do something else, like maybe tone with Wella T18 or that, you know, not bad with that bleach. I think drugstore box bleach that says it will lighten 7 levels is a little sus. But at the same time, I was just doing it to certain strands and it didn't turn out that bad. So I like having some lighter pieces in my hair. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any suggestions for what I could do next, just leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.